So coming back from the previous video, we had been discussing about the staircase. So let us consider the each step here. Okay. So let us consider this eraser as a step. Okay. Let us consider this eraser itself as a step. You can imagine the step in 3 dimension. Okay. So you can imagine this step in 3 dimension. So you can see here, if I keep the rubber here, so imagine this as a step itself. See, now we are going to keep our foot here. Again, you join another eraser here. Imagine the eraser as a step. You are going to keep the foot on the next eraser or the next step. Again, you are going to climb like this. Okay. So this is in a slope, correct? So you can observe here. So the height increases with the slope here. So here, if you see the staircase, if you see the step from the top, okay, from the top you are only able to see this rectangle, correct? You are not able to see complete step. You are only able to see this top portion or the top rectangle. So your step looks like this, right? So in the top view. So now if one step, another step like this, you can see here, one step, the second, third, fourth, like this, the step is increasing. So how to draw this in the plan? Each step is going to look like this, correct? Only the top rectangle. So if you want to draw the plan, how we are going to draw? Just connect one step with the another, right? So like this. So if you can see like this, you can see in this manner if you want. This is one step, top view. The next step also like this. In this manner you are going to continue, correct? So here we can see, I am showing you the steps. You can see here, these are the steps. The top view of the step looks like this, correct? So this is the landing portion. So here you can see this one, this landing portion. So all these steps are in the top view here, one step with another, one step with another, just the top view. This is the landing portion which we have seen here. Okay, this is the landing portion from the top view, how it looks like in this manner. And this is the second flight. Here you can see. So these steps are here connected with each other. Then here is a landing, and then this is the second flight or the second series of steps. So this is how your plan looks like. Okay, so this is the top view of the each rectangle or the each step. So then we have to consider the technicality of all these together. Okay, so technicality means mainly, so if we consider a staircase, usually we go for two classifications: dog-legged, okay, and open well. Dog-legged staircase and the open well staircase. So these are two classifications usually we go with, okay, as a broad classification. So here in this diagram we are going to discuss the dog-legged staircase. Okay, so this is a dog-legged staircase. Why we have got the name dog-legged staircase? Because so this is the section. Okay, we'll discuss in detail. So this is the section part, this is the plan part. Okay, in the section you can see here like this. So it looks as if it is of a dog leg. Okay, that is why this is called a dog-legged staircase. So this is the plan of the staircase. Okay, this is the section of the staircase. So in the next video we will discuss about all the technical details in more explanative manner.